I've developed this idea of head first in a lot. Like I
खुश
did
होगा
not.
धृतिका का बंदा.
In my defense, dogs traumatize me, I traumatize them back.
Give and take.
It's the way of life.
I have Tourette's when I cry. I get Tourette's
Yeah,
when I
everyone
cry.
does.
Mine is very very bad. And then they are like, ये क्या नाटक चालू है? ये सब नाटक कर रही है. Worse is when you are sweeping and there's little water on the floor. Like you're doing dry jhadu and there's little
Yeah.
water. That is
Oh
so
my
bad. That is
Guys, we're such women.
I love it. I love it.
no, men scare me outside the house. Whoa!
Oh, no, not all.
Not all.
Not all.
Hi guys, I'm Srishti.
I'm Dhritika.
I'm Zia.
And I'm Sanjana.
And
we
are Besharam.
So guys, there are a lot of things that I'm very, very scared of. One of them is, have you guys ever seen when you're like walking on the road and there's just like a dead rat?
That's disgusting.
That's disgusting. More
I
than
don't.
fear.
For me, when I see a dead rat, it doesn't scare me. I like to see the insides of it.
That's
Oh my
it.
God. Yeah.
Right? It's not like I don't like, oh wow, but I am not like averted.
Same. The
Towards
smell,
it.
yes. The
Yeah.
of course, but
The
like
I feel
fuck?
bad, yes, but
yeah.
Yeah, exactly. I feel really like sad for the animal, but I'm never like scared. So scared, like what the feeling of being scared of like being fearful is different than that of being disgusted. So you
Yeah.
feel like you need to run from that
Yes.
situation.
Yes.
That
oh,
so you
it's
can't.
very bad
ever-
for me.
Really?
No, yes. I
I
can't.
wonder what it's like called like scientifically.
Yeah, no.
Is it like, do you have like a bad memory to it, or it's just been like this for you forever?
I don't know. It's just like I see that there's like a dead rat and
Hmm.
then there'll be a bird or something and he'll come and
Ah.
I just can't fuck
Hmm.
with that. I run as fast as I
I
can.
Are you scared of death?
Hmm.
Could be.
But then you've been to funerals and shit. Like
I've
you've seen
been
a
to-
chitta.
I've been to funerals. I've been very fine. I've seen a postmortem video. I've heard
Why?
about because my sister, she's a doctor and she likes showing me these things
Dude, I would love
while
to
we are
see this.
having
Like,
while
I'm
we are
not
having
joking.
dinner.
I'm really intrigued by the human anatomy and like
Yeah.
there's this channel on YouTube, I don't remember the name of it. Like it'll like use like dead corpses to show you the insides. Like
Oh
There was
yeah,
this
I've
one
seen
video-
that. I've seen that.
there's
yes.
this one video where they're explaining how the uterus works and like how the
Yeah.
ovary
Yes.
and everything is, and that's so interesting. Like I'm not disgusted by that.
Same,
for sure.
same. I've
Yeah.
seen that.
Yeah,
I'm
Yeah.
not.
I am
same.
very disgusted by the insides of the body.
I'm not.
Yeah.
See,
I like
that
it.
doesn't scare me.
You like it?
I
but
like
then
all of that.
What makes you scared of like a dead? Like okay, maybe it's death for you, not the anatomy of the animal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Could be.
Could be.
And it could have stemmed from your sister showing you videos at a young age.
yeah, could be.
Yeah, that definitely is that. I'm
But
pretty
now
sure.
I'm very prone to like all those videos where there are like killing people and heavy mass disturbances and everything.
You like thriller?
Yeah.
Yeah, like even if there are like some good what do you say, crime documentaries and everything.
Yeah, and they're gory.
Yeah, I am very peaceful. Like
Same.
it doesn't affect me one bit. I'm very
Yeah?
normal.
Was that one movie with Raghav Juyal in the train?
Uh,
Killer?
Kill.
One of my friends told me that it's a very gory movie, and I was like,
Yeah.
that's nothing.
Yeah.
That was
There's a lot of
absolutely
like
nothing for me.
marpeat in it,
Yeah,
me-
'cause crazy marpeat.
but like
Yeah, for me, more than anything, like when it comes to movies, at least, the fear aspect has never been for like horror movies.
Never.
It's always a jump scare.
Same.
yes,
Same.
Unless it's like a real life story that has happened, I'll be very like, oh shit, that's a little
Crazy.
freaky, that's a little
Yes.
crazy. But it's mostly the jump scares and the noise that
Same.
makes
I'm
me
not
scared.
scared during the movie. I'm scared after.
Exactly. But
Like-
then I get more scared in like psychological thrillers or something like that because
I enjoy
that fucks with your
those, yes.
mind.
and that could happen to you someday. Like you never
yeah.
know. No,
Those
but
are more
crazy,
scary to me.
for sure.
Why like all your fears make a lot of sense, but the reason why they're so subjective, like you find horror okay, but I don't find thriller okay, but you hate horror and all of
No,
that. It's
I
all-
love horror. It's one of my favorite genres.
What's behind you, babe?
Nothing.
Exactly. Exactly. But, Ritika is a fattu.
I
When
am.
it comes to
That's what I said. That's what I
ghosts.
said.
Yeah.
But that all stems from like our personal experiences usually. So
Yeah.
humans, they're only born with two fears. Inherently, this is through the evolutionary process, which is the fear of heights or falling from a height, and the fear of a loud sound. So every time there's a
Oh.
thud or something, everyone flinches, like without,
For sure.
Ooh,
yes. Like even if you're not scared of it,
Even
you
if the
will flinch.
the
You
bravest
started.
person will also flinch.
Yeah, and that response is then met with a sort of a response in our brain which is called the fight or flight, and like there's another addition to it which is freeze, fight, flight, or freeze. So either you fight it, you
Face it or you leave.
run
Run
away, or you just freeze, because
don't
there
do
is
anything.
that could be your defense mechanism. And from an evolutionary perspective, we can see that loud sounds could be because they like an animal chasing you, and
Mhm.
or something catastrophic happening, like an earthquake or something.
Yeah.
And falling from heights, obviously that's a very innate fear if you live like on heights.
Yeah.
But then everything else after that is very personal to what has happened in your life.
So you're
Yeah, I
saying
think-
so you're saying the fear of darkness is also not something that we are born with?
No, because think of it, electricity
Yeah.
was only invented a few hundred years ago.
And why would you get scared of the dark? If that is only if you would hear something.
Yeah.
Something loud or something like
For
sound.
something.
Oh shit! I just
Because fire was
Realized
also
that.
not invented, like
yeah.
not invented, discovered, I
Yeah,
guess.
and I feel like also the fear of falling from a height that also taps into your subconscious, because when you're sleeping, sometimes you get immediately
Yeah.
awake,
Yeah.
get
Yeah.
up because
get like
think
a jitter.
you're falling from somewhere.
Yeah, right.
Exactly.
And then your body also flinches because you're like, oh shit,
Hmm.
did I fall? And I can't
Hmm,
overcome.
So your brain just goes like, okay, now do I run from this or do I fight it? Which is usually mostly never the case. But fighting is the only way to get over it. So
Yeah.
when somebody has a phobia which is like diagnosed and it is debilitating in nature, meaning you have the level of anxiety where it's debilitating in your real life. You
Yeah.
sometimes if you're fearful of being I guess being around, some people are fearful of water also.
Right.
So the only
Yeah.
way to get past that is one like medication, which is like selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, which are SSRIs, and some other medication. And on the other side, it is exposure therapy. So
Oh shit!
Wow.
if you're scared of
Yeah.
spiders, you just have to click back that fight response instead of
Yeah.
that flight or freeze
Hmm.
response.
Yeah.
Fuck.
So the more you are subjected to face it, the more you're subjected to be in that environment,
And be okay with
Hmm.
it.
be okay with it,
Mhm.
is the only way to get over it.
There was this time
Bro.
where I was so heavily into BuzzFeed. Like there was this time when I was in school and I used to only watch BuzzFeed, okay, like
Yeah.
after coming back from school. And there's this one video where the As Is Women, okay, they had an episode, they had a video made up on the fears and being exposed to them.
Mhm.
Okay, and all of these women had different kinds of fears. Okay, like
Right.
someone was afraid of like a spider, of a cockroach, of a bird, of something or the other. And that entire video, they didn't know. Okay, this was the premise of the video. They just thought they were going to discuss fears. It's going to be like a sit
Yeah, they
down
know they're
video.
going to see it actually.
Yeah, they didn't know that they were actually going to be facing their fear
Hmm.
in real life. And then they got someone who had like a cockroach, who had a
Oh,
bird and stuff, and they had to hold it
no.
either on their hand or like around their neck. For a snake was around this woman's neck, and some of them, yes, they did cry because of the fear, and I don't know if they got over it eventually, but some of them were just like, fuck no, I'm not doing this.
I
But,
just
like,
froze
don't
for
do
2
it.
seconds imagining myself in that situation. Like I genuinely froze. I was like,
yeah,
Same. I don't fuck with snakes. I don't fuck with frogs. I
Clip
don't.
that. I don't fuck with snakes.
I don't fuck
Pun
with
intended.
frogs. I don't fuck with lizards
Frogs are
either.
disgusting.
I do not fuck with
cannot.
lizards. Period.
But like,
Same.
don't do
Cannot.
that don't do that like on your own. Like have something like
Yeah, for sure. Have a
like how BuzzFeed people did it. Don't do that because like then you might impair yourself for the rest of your life. That's traumatizing.
Yes.
Exactly. Like when you have like medical help around you, do that if you're like really badly affected by it.
And if you really want to give it a shot, if you're okay with being
Yeah.
it being a fear of yours, just like it's
Yeah,
fine,
bro, it's
it's
fine.
honestly fine.
Like me, you guys know I have nothing against animals,
Hmm.
but I am fucking scared of like most of them
We are
because
aware.
I'll tell you why. There was this one time where me and my cousin, so she lives in Bandra, so she knows all the gully gucha and everything. Okay,
Yeah.
Mhm.
and we were like out. We were getting some snacks to eat or something, so we were a little outside. We were not in the gullies. Okay, and I think like showed some fear to a dog. The dog sensed it.
Yeah.
He ran behind us. I started running. His friends came along. There were like
Oh,
6
my
to
God.
8 dogs behind us. And I'm like, oh my God, Arzu, we need to run, we need to run, we need to run. And thankfully, she knew the like little ways to get by. So we lost the dogs. But I have ran for my fucking... Usain Bolt had nothing on me that day. Okay, I was like, Zia, run for your life. You don't want rabies, do you? I was 8. And then since then, I don't fuck with dogs. Like, all love to all dogs, dog lovers, you know. But, you know, people see this as a red flag of mine that I don't like animals. But you need to understand, I am fucking traumatized.
There
Bro,
was this
same
other
thing
time where
happened with
we
me.
had gone. There was this time where I think this was right after
boards.
This was right after
yeah,
boards.
for sure.
The 4 of us had gone to this like a puppy
Dog
place, like a
cafe.
dog cafe, okay? And like there were like a bunch of dogs that you just had to go and like cuddle
Play
with
with
them, play
them.
with them, you can sit with them or whatever. And we asked Zia, okay, like, hey, do you want to come?
They said
here?
it was a dog cafe, meaning dogs and food.
Yeah, the dogs are going to come and serve you.
No, it's like a cafe with dogs just left out.
Would you be okay
What-
with that?
What was
still?
that?
Because
But I didn't want to be left out also, na?
there was a cafe
My
at a
FOMO,
dairy.
fear of missing out, was more than my animal...
Fodo.
Photo. Fear of
Photo.
dog.
Exactly.
So we went inside, okay, and there's like a small gate sort of thing so that the dogs, of course, don't escape. And we
Guys,
were
I'm
in
so
there.
sorry. I'm so
We were
sorry.
in there, and we were all like getting used to the dogs and
Yeah.
like getting introduced to
Yeah.
them and like petting them and stuff. And there was this one pug. It was a pug, right?
It was a pug,
It
yeah.
pug.
It must have been like months old.
Dude, it wasn't
was
even
so
adult.
small.
It was like chotu.
It was very small.
I was in there for 5 minutes, by
Yeah,
the
and
way.
this small pug is like coming next to Zia and like trying to come next to her legs or something. This woman freaks the fuck out. She starts yelling and she's
And
like, guys,
jump-
guys, guys,
And
guys.
she started jumping.
She started jumping, and we were like, bro, please don't stamp on any of these dogs. Please get the fuck out before any of that happens.
I think she
And-
was accidentally about to stamp on the pug.
Yeah. And we were like, get the fuck out. Like,
You know, I literally jumped over that poor dog. Like, over it, almost stamping it. I did not hurt the dog.
yeah,
guys.
no,
I
no
did
dogs
not
were harmed.
No dogs were harmed, and I am truly sorry to that pug even to this day. But in my defense, dogs traumatize me, I traumatize them back.
Give and take.
It's the way of life.
Barter
Yes.
system chal raha hai
So
idhar.
you know the same. I think same experience I have shared when it came to like dogs. I used to go to my Masi's place very frequently. That's in Lonavala. So one time, and both the Masis used to live in Lonavala, like a gully across. And there used to be like these what do you say, group of dogs just sitting over there.
Yeah.
One Masi,
Gang.
and bro, they all had rabies and everything. Like, really sorry for them. And they
The
were very
dogs?
scary.
The dogs carry rabies.
Haan, haan,
Dogs
acha.
and
Yeah,
cats. do.
and those dogs were very scary. Like, they used to bark all the time. I used to be very scared of them. So then one time, one Masi was like, I have to go somewhere, like with my neighbor. Will you be able to take this aloo ka paratha ka dabba? I still to this date remember. And go to the other Masi's house. I was like, yeah, I'll go. And then Masi was telling me, don't go from this side. यहाँ पे dog से तेको डर लगता है ना. You go from this side. I was like, okay. मैं जा रही हूँ. और पता नहीं कैसे एक डॉग को वो आलू के डब्बे का
shit.
स्मेल, आलू के पराठे के डब्बे का स्मेल आ गया.
Me.
वो वो मेरे पीछे पड़ गया, मैं और तेजी से चलने लगी, वो और तेजी से मेरे पीछे आया, फिर उसके बाद 4-5 और आए, सब मेरे पीछे, मैं भागे जा रही हूँ, वो लोग मेरा पीछा ही नहीं छोड़ रहे, फिर मैंने डब्बा फेंक दिया पीछे and then I ran for my
Feral.
life, bro.
Dude, the same
I
thing
ran
happened
for
to
my
me.
fucking life.
The same thing happened to me. We were at Palghar, okay, with my cousins and my family and my cousins. And we had gone to this beach, okay, and it was not that late or anything. It was like in the afternoon where most people sleep, okay. So it was fairly like empty. And these dogs also were taking their afternoon nap. And my family, we got vada paos from like right outside the beach, and we were like, oh, we'll have on the beach or whatever. It's not a vada pav is not a beach food. I know. I'm
It's
aware.
100% a beach food.
Yeah.
Vada pav is
In
an
the afternoon,
Everywhere food.
everywhere food.
ठीक है,
Yeah.
I love the validation. But yeah, these and my cousin brother, he was like 4 years old, 4-5 years old at that time. Okay, matlab you can imagine how short he was. But yeah, he was extremely like short. Okay, to the point where like we used to carry him most of the times, but now because he was on the beach, we were like, ठीक है. And then my uncle, okay, my brother's dad, he had the vada pav in his hand, and my brother
Her
was
brother's dad.
cousin
Acha,
brother.
cousin brother's dad. Okay.
Yeah. And my cousin brother was like standing next to my uncle. And these dogs, they see us, see this crowd like of 8 of us, and then they come over here and they've like surrounded us, okay, at this point. So we were like, okay, it's like a friendly thing.
Yeah. Dude, they're cute. That's how
want
they
to-
dabojify you.
Yeah, and then these guys, we didn't know that they wanted our vada pav, bro. We thought they wanted to get petted. And we're like, don't come. And then we didn't realize that the height of the dog and my cousin brother were the same.
So
we were
he
like,
was
bro.
kid at that time. How long ago was this?
This was years back. That's what I'm saying. No, he was like 4-5 years old. And then we realized, bro, before he eats my brother, like we should give
Let
him
them
the
eat
vada
the vada
pav.
pav.
I know.
So we took it and we threw it and then they ran away. But that was a very scary experience.
No, for sure. But like,
Yeah.
I've always been a dog lover. So like, I've had people when I was younger, tell me don't touch the dog or whatever.
Yeah.
But I've never been fearful of dogs.
Because
Like,
you've
even,
got that dog in you.
But like,
Maybe
even when I
you've
see
never,
street dogs.
maybe you've never had that experience.
Yeah, because I don't feel the fear. They can't sense the fear in me. That I'm scared of them. Ki wo mujhe aake chase karenge. Like even if it's a dangerous dog, now I'm not gonna be like, oh my god, that's scary. You're like, oh, that's so cute, because that's genuinely how I feel for
The
dogs.
thought of liking dogs is so cute, you know? They're loyal, they're
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Ideally, they're very cuddly. But then I have to curse myself because I had that fucking thing and
Right.
then now I can't.
But the thing
Right.
is, even I had the same experience, and then I grew out of it. I started loving dogs. Maybe because I had dog as a child also. When I
हाँ.
was
मेरे
young,
घर पे
Yeah.
pets नहीं है.
I had a
See,
dog as a
even
child.
Arzu,
तू है
who
ना?
took me, who took me through those gullies. She is an animal lover. Like she loves that film. Sorry, she has a cat also now, and she
Oh.
every time she sees like a dog, she'll pet it and like she's
Yeah,
done.
she's just like me.
Yeah.
Same.
But what were you saying?
What was I saying?
No, you said that. Acha, you just said that you
Yeah,
like.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
She just said she likes dogs.
Okay. But yeah, same. Other than like dogs, I also love them. But there
Yeah.
are times where I do have my fair share of fear towards them.
But some
Yeah.
fear, see, dogs, animals, like if I see a fucking tiger, of course I'm scared of it. You know?
yeah.
But
No,
certain
I find them cute.
you
Tigers?
find tigers cute.
I've
Same
told,
family. No,
I've,
that's cats. Sorry.
I've told one of my friends that I wanna have like cub baby tigers as pets, and once they grow a little older, I can give them in like a zoo or something.
What
or,
are you,
like,
an
a
Ambani?
forest. I don't know. I just love animals so
You know
much.
that's
I
illegal
want to have
do.
every single animal as a pet. Like when they're a baby,
You'll have
I'm-
to
You know
buy a
that's
sanctuary for them.
No,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
very illegal, Ritika. We don't
It is. You
endorse
could
it.
Yeah,
get a house somewhere around Sanjay Gandhi National Park, and then you can have some that you see from a distance.
No, I want to own them.
You cannot
can't
own them.
own
It's
them.
illegal.
I
In
know,
her
but like
dream world.
They are
एक second,
endangered.
सोचने में कल ही डिस्कस किया हमने सोचने में क्या जाता है
Okay. But I think moving away from like dogs, this is such an irrational fear that I have, and I've recently developed this.
Yeah.
It's the fear of bathrooms.
What?
I have
Did you
this
get a
as
UTI?
child.
No, it's like
Oh my
just
gosh, she's
like,
flinching.
The thought of like bathrooms, like not toilets, like bathrooms where you go to bathe. I don't know why, bro. My toes are curling right now.
Legend has
What-
it that she
what
hasn't
is the
bathed
fear?
in
I
3
don't
years.
know. I
What is
don't
the
know.
fear?
I don't know. Just like it being wet all the time and like
Oh, bitch, we hate that in my house. We have a dryer.
Yeah.
no.
Even
it's,
we have
no,
a
bro.
dry
Even
bathroom.
yeah, even I do. But then when I'm going for a bath or something, and I don't know, I just cannot walk around the bathroom too much. I just
where it's wet.
yeah, where it's wet and I don't know. It's just like
Like you're
too
scared of
much-
slipping.
No, I just find it dirty.
Yeah, because somebody's bathed in it and then their
I just-
dirt is in that
Yeah,
water
oh,
probably.
Dude, you don't know. Like sometimes I come out from out and I go and like wash my hands, my feet, and my face.
Yeah.
And when I'm going to the bathroom, I'll wash my my legs, my
Yeah.
feet, my toes, everything. I'll wash. And then if I'm walking out of the bathroom and there's some dirt, bro, I wash my feet like twice again.
Have you heard of slippers?
Oh, good lord.
No, but like
Yeah.
what I'm trying to can't you all understand? Is this only me?
I think
Yes.
so.
It is only you.
No, I
Like,
think you'll
I'm-
find your niche.
Yeah, I know. I'm pretty sure that there are other people also,
Yeah.
even if it's like a small amount of people. But I don't know. I just don't like bathrooms. It
I
just makes
had
me
the
very
fear
uncomfortable.
of dark bathrooms as a kid.
हाँ तो
No.
तेरे कजिन ने
No.
लाइट बंद कर दी होगी.
हाँ, नहीं मुझे मैं बोलती रहती थी मेरे को डर नहीं लगता ये सब का.
हाँ.
Then they used to send me in the dark bathroom and they would lock it from outside.
Bro,
and I used to
God.
like bawl my eyes out.
no, being traumatized as a kid really has like some weightage to it.
For
100%
sure.
because all cousins did that. After watching a horror movie, you have
Bitch.
shut the light
My
and
Yeah.
you have fucked with your cousins
yeah,
like that.
My
Yeah.
brothers and I, like my uncle's son, and the four of us, like we would randomly like decide on a movie, and it's usually horror because they know that I'm a fattu. Like I enjoy the genre a lot. One of my favorite genres in movies and like shows or whatever. But after like the aftermath of it, I am damn scared. मतलब
Same.
सूसू करने के लिए भी मेरे को कोई साथ में चाहिए.
Same.
Like
same.
that's me.
I'll,
And
I'll switch
they
on
know-
all the lights.
Yeah.
And then go pee.
Same.
And,
And-
oh, I'm sorry to cut you off. But then once I'm done peeing, I switch off the light and then the
Just
way
run.
I run.
yeah.
Lock
I
my
still
room.
do it. Even in
Same.
my house. मैं छोटा सा घर है फिर भी डर लगता है.
Same.
And this one time we were watching a movie in the hall, and it was a horror movie, obviously. And it's my sister's sitting down, like she's laying down, me like to the sofa ka corner, एकदम ऐसा लेट के, और मेरे दोनों भाई बैठे. And then my brother, he's gone to the washroom, and then he comes back. Like I'm watching the movie, so we didn't pause it because why should we? We're sitting, and I didn't see him come because I'm like engrossed in the movie. And this brother of mine, he like comes thoda piche se, like he puts his hand and his hand is just here, like on
Yeah.
my shoulder. And I'm engrossed in the movie a lot, so I didn't even feel that his hands are, or the feeling that he's come back also after from the washroom. And I'm watching the movie, and like the hand just like he does this like that.
Bro, I used to do the same thing. I used to do the exact
Like that?
same thing.
And I didn't feel it the first time, but दूसरी बार ना उसने थोड़ा जोर से किया. मैं
Oh.
like I can actually feel it.
While you were watching this,
I froze. Like I just froze right now. I was like, and then he's like, okay, chill, it's me, chill. Like don't
Bro,
check
I
your pants
would
right now.
scream
You know-
so loudly.
so you know
My
what?
buddy papa was sleeping, so I was like, I can't scream.
I wouldn't
and I
give a
just
fuck.
like froze.
So you know what I used to do? I used to get like hang out with my cousins. I would
Hmm.
put my hand on their shoulder like this.
Yeah.
And then ऐसा मतलब उनसे बात ही करो ये वो फिर अचानक से बहुत
See?
no, as a society, we need to stop traumatizing kids because what the fuck was my parents using Tare Zameen Par against me? Oh, bitch, I was literally okay. This is not okay. Okay, like if you are a new parent, do not do this. Every time, like because my parents knew that I was scared of that Meri Ma song. Like I was scared about like becoming like being in a situation like Ishan Awasthi.
For sure.
They fucking used it, and how? Because my books were always incomplete, okay?
No.
I was an incomplete book kid, and they used to always like mess with me
I think-
whenever, like, once my dad, he was at the mosque and he got a fake form.
Bro,
And he was like,
same.
your dad was at the mosque.
Not that the mosque, he got the
But he
fake
got the form, and then he was like, okay, now you're going. Like, literally how it happened in the movie. Like, they said it so casually to Ishan, na? And then I obviously was like, what the hell? Just because my book is incomplete, I don't think it matters in the grand scheme of things, does it? You
Wow,
don't need to put
dude,
me
your
through
parents
that.
were evil. Like,
Bro,
my,
yeah.
nothing. This is nothing.
I think the reason why they showed us Tare Zameen Par was
was that.
to inculcate that fear, ki, do your
Yeah,
things, study
bro.
properly, complete
my,
the book.
my parents
know
have
what?
never done this.
You
I'm
know
so
what?
glad.
Once my parents and all, we all planned a trip to Mahabaleshwar.
Hmm.
And that, what do you say, the hostel that's in Panchgani, guys. And then we are all packing our bags. And I see that there's a bigger bag of mine. Like, मेरे ज़्यादा बहुत ज़्यादा कपड़े हैं.
Oh, they did that?
They
Oh,
did
bitch, they
that.
went there.
The
Oh my
action.
God.
I'll tell you guys the real reason. So then, I see that my bag is bigger, and I've been overthinking as a kid. So then I was like, कुछ तो अलग ही कर रहे हैं लोग. And then we reach like the place. We entered. So Panchgani comes first, and Mahabaleshwar comes after that. So we reach in Panchgani, and then after that, my dad is showing me, यहाँ पे वो hostel है, हम लोग जा रहे हैं.
Go.
My dad literally gave the indicator. I have like bawled my eyes out in the car. I'm crying, Papa, please, please,
Oh,
Papa, please.
shit.
Oh my
Papa,
God.
please.
Dude,
क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ has started. Did they play that song on the like?
No.
They got a
No.
तारे ज़मीन पर
And
CD.
My dad and my mom was like, oh, बहुत हो गया, रहने दो.
Oh
बस
my
हो
god!
गया.
And just for nothing, why?
yeah, and
why?
then they started
What did
laughing.
you do?
shits and giggles.
Then they started laughing, and
Dude,
then my
that's
dad
the
is
worst
like,
part.
हाँ ना?
Like, मेरी यहाँ फट के 4 हो रही है, तुमको मजा आ रहा है. And sadist हो तुम.
bro, exactly. And then I was asking them, why did you carry so many clothes of mine? Then my mom was like, I wanted to make an album for you. I wanted to click your pictures.
Wow.
But then
But what did you do to?
absolutely nothing, bro.
See,
Absolutely
that
मस्ती
is
तो
where
मैं-
the
You,
issues
she couldn't get out of the
start.
car and start running, na?
मस्ती तो करती ही
भक्ति तो
रहती थी
किधर
मैं.
भक्ति में.
भाई.
और मैं वैसे भी मस्ती तो बहुत करती थी बचपन में. तो
हाँ.
मुझे मैं यही सोच रही
Expected
थी
था.
Bro,
कि मतलब डाल ही देंगे एक ना एक दिन.
बचपन में मुझे किससे डर था पता है? झूठ बोलने से. Like genuine, my mom, like she does not, like she always said that, because I don't lie, that means I expect nobody to lie. And then every time
Yeah.
that she caught me in a lie, then I would be punished. Like basically punishment in my house was I kneel down for 10 minutes. Or I get beaten with anything around her.
जो हाथ में पहले आया हो.
Bro, what is the worst thing you've been beaten up? Sorry. What is
No,
the
no,
worst
no,
thing you've been
Comb.
Belt?
Comb.
झाड़ू or like a stick.
My mother has picked up a tape dispenser and thrown it. A tape dispenser, you know?
अरे, the one like you attach
Oh
the
my
tape
god.
and
Oh
then
my
you
god.
cut.
She's thrown it on me. Of course I'm fucking scared. Of course I flinch. No shit, I flinch.
God damn.
मैंने क्या किया था वो भी नहीं याद है मुझे.
क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ की? Bro, there was this one time. I have always been scared of my mom. To this day, I'm scared of her. I love her, but I'm damn scared of her. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
There was this time where it was my mom's birthday the next day, and the night before, my brother and I are making a card for her.
Yeah.
Okay. And so you know that those cards are you open it and there's a heart.
Heart. Pop up.
Right,
Yeah.
Pop up. No. We simply drew it. So I told my brother, you draw half heart, I will draw half heart because both of us are giving
Yeah.
to mama. So Dalen was a nice artist. Okay, he used to he did and made nice half heart. And bro, when you're a kid, it's of course imperfect, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
So I'm like slowly doing teda ho gaya.
Yeah.
And Dalen was like, what the fuck have you done? So then I was like, I'm sorry. And then because of that, we start fighting. Okay. And then I'm like, no, don't erase mine. You erase your. Blah, blah, blah. And this is at like 11 in the night. My mom comes out of the kitchen. She twists my ear. She slaps me. And I'm like, I'm literally doing this for you.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's
And
really
then,
bad.
and then you had to erase the heart line and then dot again and you see the imperfect line.
No, and the
Right.
worst part is that my mom has multiple occasions beat me because I was crying because she beat me.
Yes. The fuck?
And then you're like, I'm not
And then
Crying,
now you
bro.
can't cry anymore.
Yeah, you're like-
I swear to God. So,
yeah.
I have Tourette's when I cry. I get Tourette's
Yeah,
when I cry.
everyone does.
Almost everyone. Mine is very, very bad.
It's embarrassing because first of all you made me cry and now you want to humiliate me like this.
And then they are like, ये क्या नाटक चालू है? ये सब नाटक कर रही है, bro.
Dude, our parents were so inconsiderate when we were
Yeah.
kids.
No, I think they were just like living life. Like it's not their fault.
Off of my pain.
And you know what? Adi, so there's this.
छोटा सा बच्चा था मेरा.
How old was
4
he?
years old.
How old was he when this happened?
I think 5, 6.
5 years
Close,
old.
close.
And he had like recently learned. So I did this thing. I had filled like a huge balloon with water. It was this big and it had full water in it. And he was very fascinated by that. उसको बहुत मजा आता था उसके साथ ऐसे ऐसे खेलने में वगैरह. So then मैंने उसको एक बना के दे दिया और फिर मैंने उसको बोला आदि बाथरूम में खेल. अगर फूट गया ना तो सारा पानी बाहर आएगा फिर मम्मा बहुत चिल्लाएगी. And he didn't listen to me. He brought it in the hall ऐसे ऐसे पकड़ के.
Like as if he's pregnant.
No, like just
Oh, अच्छा,
hold
ठीक है.
करके.
Like a baby.
Yeah, and then he kept it down hall में ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे
Patch,
ऐसे
patch,
ऐसे
patch.
खेल रहा है
I wonder what happens next.
Yeah.
फूट गया पानी ऐसा मस्त सब जगह फ्लो हुआ.
Oh my god.
फिर मम्मा जो स्पीड में आई है अपनी कोम लेकर.
भाई
Yeah.
वो चप्पलों की आवाज से मतलब पॉटी निकल जाती है.
Bro, एक आवाज है मेरे घर पे. वो चमचे का ड्रॉर नहीं होता.
हाँ,
उसमें से सलीपा निकाल कर मारती थी मेरी माँ. तो वो
मेरी-
खुलता है ना
Yeah.
मुझे अभी तक ऐसा लगता है. मैं भी नहीं खोलती वो ड्रॉर. वैसा
Yeah, I know exactly what you're talking
वो
about.
आवाज आती है तो अभी भी डर लगता है.
No, my mom used to wear पायल. So then it was worse. कि मम्मा
Yeah,
आ रही है.
exactly.
छुप जाओ.
ब्रो
Yeah.
कभी कभार है ना मैं अगर लेट सोई हूँ आज तक भी मैं 21 साल की हूँ आज और मैं अगर 1 बजे तक सोई हूँ और मुझे उसकी आवाज आ गई है I'm up.
What have I done? What have
ब्रश
I
भी
done?
हो गया, नहाना भी हो गया, ब्रेकफास्ट भी हो गया. I'm ready.
सब हो गया. I'm ready. मैं जल्दी से शर्ट चेंज कर लेती हूँ.
But you know, apart from my mom, there was this like I was what 5, 6 years old again, okay, and there was this old uncle in our building, okay, and I don't know
Why do all the buildings have this old uncle who screams at the children?
No, he's not scream, but just
Yeah.
his existence was very scary to me.
Okay.
Like he looked very scary, okay,
Hmm.
and I'm not gonna name drop because his relative watches the pod, so I don't want to insult his uncle or whoever the fuck. But yeah, and he was like very old. He had like white hair everywhere, and I don't know if he had like some problem with his skin or something, but he had like glass eyes. Okay.
Okay, that is scary.
And he was a little short, a little stout, and he used to have a stick in his hand.
Hmm.
So just pick from this description, just picture the kind of
Yeah.
visual
Right.
as a 6-year-old and what that
Hmm.
6-year-old used to see
Scary.
on a regular basis. And he used to live like on the ground floor in the other building. So
Hmm.
sometimes when I was to go out, I used to see him, okay, and dude, that visual was just very, very scary to me. And like my entire family knew I was scared of him, but he was the sweetest person.
Aw.
Exactly.
I've never spoken to him.
Hmm.
Yeah.
We've never had an interaction, but I don't know, I should just get scared of looking at him.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And there was this one time we were going to a wedding or something, okay, and my brother and I had gone down, and my parents were following us, so I just had my brother's hand to hold.
Hmm.
And I see this poor uncle just coming and walking with his stick. I get so scared. I hide behind my brother and I start crying. And Dalen's like, "What the fuck are you crying about? Like, what have you seen?" And I'm like, "That uncle is there." And I was like, "Bro, I can't."
No, because like kids are usually scared of people that are portrayed as that. So there was this one lady in my cousin's village where she, like, everyone, first of all, her name was only, you had to get scared of the name. Her name was, what they called her was Burki Chichi. Okay. Now you
बाप रे.
imagine this.
Sounds like an
And
urban
you
legend.
imagine as kids,
Hmm.
हमें बोला क्या था कि वो खुद से बातें करती है और वो चीखती चिल्लाती है.
Scary.
Now we know
भाई मेरी
that
अभी भी गांड फटे.
exactly. Now I know that she's traumatized and she
Yeah,
okay.
she has a sort of psychosis
Hmm.
problem, which is not treated. That's why she still is like that. But it like few years later, like after, you know, every time we would pass her house, like we had to run.
Right.
And you know that's Burki Chichi's house. She's gonna scream, she's gonna yell. But it was all just because like before this problem happened to her, she
Right.
lost both her sons in a fire.
Ah, no.
Oh no.
So that traumatized her to the level of she's harmless, right? Like
Yeah.
she only gets
Exactly.
treated, like she'll
That
be
way.
fine. But we used to get so scared.
So even where we live, like all four of us, like you know what I'm talking about. Those 3-4 houses that look like
Yeah.
fucking
Fuck yeah.
like so.
Okay.
I know somebody who lives in one of those houses.
Yeah, same.
Which
same.
one?
Yeah.
Yeah, those houses in
know-
that lane, that one lane.
Okay.
Yeah.
The 3 to 4 bungalows that like
Oh.
are those
Right in front of our tuitions.
Oh.
Samjha?
Yeah. Yeah.
And like when I was younger, like I didn't know anybody who lived there. I was like, ये कुछ भी ऐसे ही अभी तक खंडर जैसे पड़ा हुआ है. And every time I used to I had to like pass outside of that, I would cross the road, walk, finish
cross
that
that.
distance, and then I would cross again because my house was in the same lane as
Yeah,
those
yeah,
houses.
as those
So like
houses.
I would like for the longest time I was not able to cross those houses
Oh yeah.
right from the
I
outside of
remember
it.
we used to cross the road way ahead.
Right?
Was that the reason?
Yeah, one of the reasons. I overcame that fear like not very long ago.
Oh,
after
so-
I knew somebody lived there and I knew the person, I was like, oh wait, that's not. It's
so
fine.
हम इसीलिए 2 साल हम वहां से चले
Yes.
तेरे वजह से.
Yes.
मुझे पता ही नहीं
One
था ये
of,
बात.
one of the white lies.
पर हाँ, you know, speaking of like during childhood, like I feel like our fears were very like मतलब समझता है भाई क्यों डर लग रहा है समझता है.
And I also feel like if you have a fear when you were a kid and if you were able to overcome it while you were a kid, I don't think you're gonna have the fear of it ever again.
You
so,
won't.
So the first time I went to America, it was my family, like my family and like my friends and everyone, like dad's friends. Like, it was like a huge group of like 20 people.
Yeah.
And हम जैसे ही घुसे उसमें हमने बोला कि नाइट्रो में जाएंगे पहले
नहीं.
because वहाँ सबसे कम भीड़ थी. And I was pretty young and I was like, listen, I already have like vertigo and motion sickness, like whatever. But I was like, चल कुछ नहीं होगा, sit with you, whatever. And I'm like, back then I was really scared of heights. Like I couldn't even look down 2 floors, 1 floor. Like I was that
Oh.
afraid of heights. And Papa's like, don't worry. If you don't feel like, we'll get you out of the ride before it starts. But like, just sit on the ride and see how you feel like.
Start होने के बाद क्या करेंगे फिर?
हाँ. He's like, तू बैठ में. I'm sitting next to you.
wanted
Oh
her
my
to
God.
overcome that.
And then like we sat on the ride and then we like the ride got over and then I like of course like I would feel a little dizzy. I still feel a little dizzy today because of my problem. But I got off और मैंने फिर पापा ने पूछा कैसा लगा? I'm like पापा वापस करे क्या? And I think after that I've never been scared of roller coasters.
No,
like
I'm
people
very
till date question me that you know you have motion sickness, you have vertigo. Like how do you do vertigo? How do you do roller coasters and like such as I'm like I don't know. It's just like never. Once the fear was gone, I've never been scared of roller coasters ever again. Like I enjoy good roller coasters
Yeah,
in my
but
life now.
Very true.
I think I'm shit scared. I'm very, very
Yeah,
scared.
Yeah,
no,
we know.
She has prayed to all gods
This is
whenever
one,
we were
it was-
at Imagica.
it's this ride called Dare to Drop. Like if you know, you know.
Yes.
We're sitting together in one line, 4 of us. It's Zia, Sanjana, me, and Suresh. This woman, the ride hasn't even started. We're like slowly going up. She's like,
Yeah.
and सारे जितने भगवान उसको
She
नाम
becomes
पता
India
है,
is a secular country.
हाँ,
Yes.
सारे उसने एक बारी में जप दिए.
She is India.
Bro, मैं इसने क्या क्या पढ़ा है वो हमें भी याद नहीं है.
Yeah.
हम like we don't follow the same religion as
Yeah.
her, and we are all like, ये हमारे भगवानों का नाम क्यों ले रही है?
अरे आप भी हाँ.
And we're just laughing.
Bro, there was this time. Do you guys remember there was a small kid sitting right besides me,
Yeah.
and then I'm just like, एक time पे भगवान का नाम ले
in
रही
the scream machine.
हूँ. In the scream machine.
Yeah, then the next time she was sitting with me.
The
एक
pav
time-
bhaji maker, right? The
Yeah, पाव
Yeah.
भाजी
हाँ,
मेरे
हाँ,
को.
हाँ.
एक
Right.
बार सारे भगवान के नाम ले रही हूँ, उतरते वक्त सारी गालियां दे रही हूँ, वो बच्चे की गांड फट गई थी भाई.
Bachcha is like good duality.
बच्चा मेरे को देख के पागल.
like shit, I sat next to the wrong adult.
But the thing is that I am not scared until I get there. I am just like, हाँ करना है. फिर वहाँ पे जाके मेरी बहुत फटती है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
मतलब see वो तेरा ये कंटिन्यू है एज एन एडल्ट ऑल्सो. तू
Yeah, yeah.
अभी भी ऐसी है.
हाँ.
क्योंकि तूने कभी उसको ओवरकम ही नहीं
नहीं
किया
किया.
पर
Because-
कभी कभार
I think my dad also has the same thing.
Yeah, my
Same
mom,
exact
she
thing.
doesn't fuck with roller coasters. She was like
Yeah.
a baby, right? She'll be like, मैं नहीं आ रही हूँ,
My
जो
dad-
करना है कर.
Same, bro. My dad, he's like, pagal hai kya? You can pay me crores of rupees and I will not come. He's very scared.
कभी कभार
Yeah, go on.
कभी कभार ऐसा भी होता है that you develop some fears when you're like a lot older.
Right.
Like I
Yeah, I'm
saw
sure.
this video of like when I was in my teens of Kendall Jenner being like she's scared of pancakes because there are like little holes on it.
So trypophobia.
So
I
try,
have-
and then I was like, there's no way. So I look up fear of holes, like because there was no way. And then now I am trypophobic.
I'm
Bitch,
so
yeah.
trypophobic, bitch.
you have no. Are you?
No.
Oh
I'm
my
a
god!
little bit.
I need a picture.
No, I'm not seeing that.
No, you don't see it.
I'm not seeing it.
No,
You don't
I
see
know
it.
exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah.
And it's uncomfortable, yes, but I'm not so scared to
want
the
to-
point where I cannot see it.
Unless
Bro,
unless the
I'm
holes
not
are
at
like
all scared.
arranged in a certain pattern where it's
Give-
pleasing to see, I don't mind.
Sorry.
But
I have an alpha friend, okay, like alpha male, fully, okay, and I showed him this picture, and he pretends to like not be bothered by anything. He
I'm
saw
getting
it.
the chills without
he,
seeing it.
he gave me the phone back. He threw his vape. He threw it on the floor. Okay.
Dad, we don't have a vape here.
Oh my god, I don't want to see it. Oh my god. Delete it from my history before you give it back.
See, I have chills.
ऊपर का बता उसको, ऊपर का बता, ऊपर का बता. ईश देख रही है ये.
See, the thing is, it's very disgusting when it's on like a body part.
Yuck! Oh my god.
You know when you like remove, you know, when you remove corn from the cob,
Even though that's fine.
that I can't remove. I can't do that work.
ये सब ठीक ही है.
I can't do
क्या?
that.
ये मेरे लिए ठीक है.
Delete कर मेरी हिस्ट्री से.
मेरे कॉल खड़े हो गए भाई.
छी भाई.
तुझे वहाँ पे भी डर लगेगा, वहाँ पे भी होल है.
तूने देखा क्या?
तुझे इससे
I need water 1 minute.
कुछ होता है क्या?
धृतिका,
होल
नहीं उससे नहीं
धृतिका
होता.
तू भी नहीं शेव कर सकती, वहाँ पर भी होल है.
Oh bhai. No, that was so bad. Did you see it?
I will never.
I had to.
Arey,
Yeah.
as I mentioned, if the holes are like arranged in like a proper symmetry or
Like a
something, and it's,
honeycomb.
you know,
Not a
know, they're
honeycomb.
spaced out and like it's like a circle, then chotu circle, then chotu circle, or they're like diagonals. I can still like that.
उनको तो
That's
दिख
a
रहा है.
pattern.
क्या
The chair.
The chair,
like this.
it has holes, but it has a pattern to it, right? So I can be okay with that.
Like another, yeah, like you mentioned, something that you develop as an adult. This circles back to the fear of bathrooms for me.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot fuck with corners. Like,
I have an obsession of cleaning them.
same.
I have to clean whenever
Same.
because that's why I go last.
oh my god, I just realized another phobia.
What?
Or like which gives me the ick. You know, when there's a sink and you have to like unclog
Unclog
it.
the hair.
No. No. This
Especially when
episode
there's
has
hair.
the lowest viewer retention ever.
Especially when there's like a chunk of hair.
Yuck. Oh my
fuck off.
god. No,
Stop.
that's like the
Stop.
washroom, but like when you have to remove food.
Wet food.
No, she
Oh, my eyes are
her
watering.
body has
I don't-
chill.
During
I don't fuck with
lockdown,
that.
I have not washed the bartan without wearing gloves.
No, shut up. My eyes are watering right now.
Same. The thing is,
My mom does it every day and she's like, Sandhya, you should learn to do it. I'm like,
Yeah,
I
true.
don't
The
need to learn.
fuck not.
I don't need to learn it actually.
The fuck not.
Same.
If this means that I have to grind and hire a maid, so be it.
So be it.
So be it.
Oh
These
my
are
God.
actually, I don't fuck with washing utensils. I can't. I
No, I
genuinely
can't. I
can't
love
do
washing utensils.
that. I don't do utensils.
Bhanda guess that's a trauma.
Bhandi ghasa is a trauma. Literally, quite literally, bro. I don't fuck
No,
with
I
that.
can घासा bhandis,
मैं
but I can't घासा the sink.
मैं पूरे घर का सब काम करूंगी, झाड़ू पोछा कपड़े धोना सब कुछ, बस
I
not utensils.
can't
I
deal
don't fuck
with
with that.
wet clothes that have hair attached to it. Like a pota or like your like any type of cloth when it's wet and if there's like hair
I've
attached
never
to
seen
it.
that actually.
Worse-
That's so specific. I can't even picture it.
Worse is when you are sweeping and there's little water on the floor, like you're doing dry jhadu
Yeah.
and there's little
Yeah.
water. That is
Oh
so
my
bad.
That is
so
just
Guys,
bad.
we're such women.
I love it. I love it.
Finally the guys are going to be happy that we're talking
Yeah.
about cooking and
Yeah, we're
cleaning.
finally back in the
Yeah.
kitchen. We're finally doing
Yeah.
housework.
I get scared of when oil splashes on me whenever dry.
God.
Oh my God.
I can't.
No, you were
I
scared.
actually do.
I'm not scared of anything outside the house because I never leave.
I'm always in the kitchen.
No, men scare me outside the house.
Whoa.
Oh, no. Not all, man.
Not all.
Not all, man.
Okay, this is satire if this was not
Yes.
Clear.
Well, anyway, so even as adults, I feel like, a fear that was unlocked, but it is weirdly satisfying for me, is true crime. And I fucking love consuming it because
Love it.
the
Yeah,
whole
same.
time I'm on edge because this is something that can happen. As a woman, especially listening to true crime, there's something so thrilling about it.
Yes.
And I hate, like, all love and respect to victims and their families. I agree. There should be some respect put there.
Right.
But when, like, there's some good podcasts that, really honor the families and
Yes.
also, convey this message.
Right.
Yeah.
And listening to that, for some reason, like, yeah, पूरा time मेरी फट रही है,
Hmm.
but मुझे सुनना है और मुझे और सुनना है.
Yeah, I
Right.
think you had introduced me to Crime Junkie.
Yes.
And I used to clean my house on Sundays. I still do. And I listen to either that or Desi Crime.
Desi crime.
I
You introduced me to
love-
Desi crime.
Yeah.
I love Desi Crime
Yeah.
because,
Yeah, they're
like
too
you
good.
said,
They're too
they
good.
not only uncover or like dissect the story, but they also talk about the perpetrator,
Yeah.
give equal importance to the perpetrator
Hmm.
story and the victim's story. So
Yeah.
it's very
Nuanced.
well rounded and it's
Yeah.
very like well thought of.
And this
Right.
can be attested with my Instagram bio itself. It says true crime protagonist.
Yeah.
Because who do you think is the protagonist in true crime?
Yeah.
Is the victim? Is it the perpetrator?
yeah.
It could be both.
both.
It could
And
be
I
both.
have potential to be both.
Love that.
Over explaining
So,
my Instagram bio.
I think a few days ago we went to this sport place.
Ah.
You guys remember?
Ha.
And I was trying to scare Dhritika
Yes.
by something. That's when Zia said something, bro. I forgot what she said.
Bro, there was nothing there, is what I said.
No.
No, you said that
Oh.
ye kya, just to
नहीं,
scare
नहीं.
her.
उसके पहले Zia was like कि कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे सब ठीक ही तो है
हाँ.
बाहर चल के देखते हो something like that. And then I was like, Zia, that's how every crime movie starts.
No.
Oh,
I said that guys, so this place in our area is very scary.
Very
okay, it's
scary.
like a port.
Genuinely
And you
scary.
can go inside. That day there were no cops, so we could go inside,
Yeah.
and
It's like
it was
an
pretty
export.
late.
It's not a port anymore. It's
हाँ.
like an export.
उधर से ferry जाती है.
It's like an export.
So I was like, guys, why are we scared? There's nothing here.
Hmm.
And then one of us said that this is literally how every horror movie starts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's a pretty
One-
shady area also.
One
sure.
random chut will say nothing is there, and
Yeah.
then they will die first.
Yes. Correct.
Because Ghost is like, how dare you?
Disrespect me.
Yeah, I am here only. You can't see. Okay, now you will
But
see
guys,
me.
who do you think will die first? If
In a horror movie, 100%
the four
me.
of us.
You
yeah.
She
sure.
first.
No, but I think they will keep me for comic relief. I'll be
Same.
the second to die.
But then that's not the genre, no.
no, they keep the
But
the-
South की movie नहीं है जिया.
हाँ.
ये proper horror movie है जहाँ पर horror है. There's no comedy to it.
Horror.
भाई होता है.
No.
Which movie?
See, I feel like
याद
in the
नहीं है अभी मुझे.
actual horror
Truth
movies,
is
no,
there.
it's the funny person who's also like a little dumb and they die first.
Yeah.
But I'm not dumb.
No, but this is in a situation where it's a proper horror movie.
she believes that.
Like there's no comedy. There's no place for comedy.
Yeah.
Okay, fair.
I feel it's
First.
her first, me second,
Second,
third, fourth.
Unanimous.
Yeah.
Nice. But I feel like one of our favorite things to do as a group also is just mess with Ritika. Because every time you
Fuck
tell her,
us. Fuck us.
every time we have a sleepover, we'll all
Yeah.
like, this is unsaid, okay?
Yes. You know, this is
remember that
something that
time?
we've done on multiple occasions, okay?
On
And
the
she's-
same day, in the
on
same hour.
Yeah, no. So all of us are sitting and like we're genuinely having fun, okay? We're like laughing, we're talking, we're making videos,
We're
we're making
dancing.
reels, we're dancing or whatever. And one person, and it's usually me, and then I completely break out. I was like, I just stare at Ritika. I was like, and then I look behind her, and then I'm like, oh, nothing. And then these other two also know to get into reaction. We were like, oh, this is what we're doing. Let's get into it.
And then whenever we sense that Ritika is getting too scared, so if Sanjana started, Sanjana
Yeah.
will be like, no, we're fucking with you. And then I'll be like, do you really trust her? It's gotten into her. Do you really trust her?
Yeah.
Bro,
And
it
then-
keeps building up, dude.
And then I make it worse. I'm like, guys, we have to acknowledge the fifth person in this.
Yeah, because in our group, like Srishti has had the most experiences with ghosts
Like
and shit with
paranormal
her.
experiences.
So and like according to her Rashi or something, apparently like she can sense and see ghosts.
Yeah.
So like whenever she says it, I'm like,
yeah, अरे shit just got real.
मैं तुझको इसके लिए बोलती रहती हूँ यहाँ पे मत बैठा कर, यहाँ पे मत बैठा कर.
fifth person है क्या?
उधर
है.
उधर.
हाँ ठीक है, good job. Stay
Exactly.
there,
हम
bloody stay there.
अगले वीडियो से बीच में भी एक फ्रेम
हाँ
लाएंगे.
हाँ
Yes.
ठीक है
Yes.
ठीक है. I'm not getting scared.
So I think as adults we start like taking fun in fear sometimes. Like,
Hmm.
why do we like roller coasters? Why do we like movies? Why is it that this adrenaline rush is so addictive to the point where I am okay with facing my fear?
Yeah.
Yeah, it puts you. I feel like fears are cool in a way where they put you in uncomfortable situations, like it did for you on the roller coaster. And yeah, of course, you can either come out of it shining or it'll completely fucking shatter
Destroy
you.
me, yeah.
But I feel I've noticed this with me is that whenever I'm scared of something, be it, and I know fear and anxiety are two different things. I don't know the exact definitions of it, but I know that they are different. But I feel like whenever I've been scared to put myself in a particular situation, I've always like made it a point to go heads first into it.
Same.
Wow.
I've developed this idea of head first in a lot. Like this
Yeah.
ideology was like I
खुश
did
होगा
not
धृतिका का बंदा.
like wait.
Jija ji.
Yeah. So like I was always the person be like I can't do this. I'm
Yeah.
scared of it. I'm not gonna do it. But then like again, this podcast is
Yeah.
a very living example of me like being like fuck it, I'm gonna do it. If I'm bad,
Really?
I'm bad. I'm gonna learn through the process of it. But-
Exactly.
And she
And, like,
has.
Yeah, exactly. And like because I know me, these guys know me, and like how I would not even interact with a fifth person if they were with us. Like if it's the four of us, of course, like I'm myself, of course.
Yeah.
But like if like Zia has a friend, Sanjana has a friend, or Susha has a friend with, I will the least say, hi, I'm Dhritika, and like how are you doing, whatever. And then I'm like shut.
You're
Yeah.
more of an observer. Like you
That
like
I am for
observing
sure,
people.
for sure. And like the more like we've been shooting this since the past year now, and we've met so many people through the pod, outside the pod. Like your friends, I've met your friends, your friends, and this like I said, like just like not giving a fucking like going into it, be like even if you fuck up, it's fine. At least you tried,
Hmm.
and like that is what's more important than giving your best
Yeah.
and like achieving it in the first go.
I like fears to some
I
extent.
think
I love
Right,
fears.
for sure.
It
for
has
sure.
put me. It has opened a lot of doors to me. For me,
builds you in a way that you do not think it.
I
could.
wouldn't be here without a fear.
I
For
feel
sure.
like we have come full circle in this conversation. When we
Yeah, no?
started, we were like, exposing yourself is the only way to get through it.
yeah.
Besides, of course, if it's debilitating medication. And now we have living examples of people
Yeah,
that have of us where we
us,
have
yes.
faced things, and
Right.
we like it now. We
I
like
love it.
we like being put in those situations, and now we kind of even slightly enjoy it.
Yeah, for sure.
Definitely.
For
I
sure,
don't
yeah.
want no fear.
Yeah.
Same.
Like I constantly
Same.
want fear.
So I think this was a very good conversation.
Very
I loved it.
interesting.
Like
I actually did.
knowing about each other's fears
Yeah.
and everything. Like I didn't know that
Same. I didn't know a lot of.
you
Yeah.
guys' fears.
Yeah, like the bathroom
Same.
one was like very. What?
Yeah.
Yeah. But if you guys have watched the video until now, then we want you to comment down the skeleton emoji to let us know that you were interested and you wanted to hear this and you've enjoyed this.
Lots of skulls down. in the
Lots
Yes.
of
comments.
skulls. And apart from that, if you have any stories related to your phobias, your fears, we would love to hear them too. Pin it down in the comment section below. We would read them out later as well.
While you're on YouTube, if you don't mind, you know,
Yeah.
you could hit that little subscribe button that's been enticing you for so long.
It's right
You
there.
should like this video, share it with your parents because I know some of y'all got traumatized by them.
Yes.
And yeah, leave a nice comment.
Yeah, and if you're listening to us on any of the audio streaming platforms, don't forget to give us a 5-star rating on there as well.
And if you watch us on Reels, follow us on Instagram as well. It's Weird Besharam.
So yeah, until
Until
then,
then,
stay
stay
Besharam.
Besharam. Bye.